Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y01 and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on reset options, and as you can see on the third position we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it. Here we've got the information that this operation will restore some function settings to defaults, including the function switches, options, etc., personalized settings, and content filled in during setup. So it's up to you, of course, if you want to reset all settings. If you want, just tap on reset settings. Here we've got also the information that this operation cannot be undone, so tap on reset all settings again. And as you can see right now, we have to wait. Your device will be restarted after resetting all settings, and after turning it on, it will have all settings reset successfully. So actually, this is it. This is how to reset all settings in your VIVO Y01. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.